Welcome to homework.
If we have a double zero at 1, that means x minus 1 is squared. And if we have a triple zero at x equals 3, then we have the factor x minus 3 cubed. We can use this to create our function. We also know that the function passes through 248. So if you have to multiply this out, there's just a lot of multiplying. So be careful. We have x minus 1 squared, and I'm not sure if you are familiar with patterns. I'm going to just say you might not be, so I'm going to do this the long way. This would mean that there are 2 x minus 1's multiplied together and 3 x minus 3's multiplied together. Take 2 at a time and distribute, or maybe you call it FOILing. We have x squared minus x again will be minus 2x plus 1. I'm going to take the next pair, x minus 3's, that would be x squared minus 3x. Minus 3x is minus 6x combined, plus 9. And then we still have the x minus 3. I'm going to multiply the two trinomials together now. Distribute the x squared, we get x to the 4th minus 6x squared cubed plus 9x squared. And then distribute the negative 2x, we get negative 2x cubed plus 12x squared minus 18x. And then we have to distribute the 1. We get plus x squared minus 6x plus 9. And we're still multiplying by x minus 3. We can clean up this really massive polynomial here. X to the 4th minus 8x cubed. We have 22x squared. We have minus 24x plus 9. And now we'll distribute the x to the 4th to get x to the 5th minus 3x to the 4th. Distribute the negative 8x cubed to get negative 8x to the 4th plus 24x cubed. Distribute the 22x squared to get plus 22x cubed minus 66x squared, and the negative 24x to get minus 24x squared plus 72x, and then distribute the 9 to get plus 9x minus 27, which means our function could be x to the 5th minus 11x to the 4th plus 46x cubed minus 90x squared plus 81x minus 27. But first we need to check. That's what this second part is for. Does it go through 248? That would mean, is f of 2 really equal to 48? That would be 2 to the 5th minus 11 times 2 to the 4th plus 46 times 2 cubed minus 90 times 2 squared plus 81 times 2 minus 27. 2 to the 5th is 32. 2 to the 4th is 16 times 11 is minus 176. 2 to the cube, 2 cubed is 8 times 46 would be plus 368. 90 times 2 squared, or 4, is minus 360. Plus 81 times 2 is 162. Minus 27. 32 minus 176 plus 368 minus 360 plus 162 minus 27 is negative 1. So right now, as this function stands, when we put in 2, we get out negative 1. Well, to counter this, just scale the whole thing. We want it to be 48. We are at negative 1. Scale the whole thing by whoops, negative 48. So final would be f of x equals negative 48 x to the fifth plus 528 x to the fourth minus 48 times 46 is 2,208 x cubed. 90 times 48 would be plus 4,320x squared. 81 times 48 would be minus 3,888x. And then negative 48 times negative 27 would be plus 1,296. Good luck.